like Santiago done. I did have footage of it, but Chrissy boy dropped his phone in the water. Brand new that phone is. Underneath, like that's just a screen cover that's cracked. Brand spanking new phone. It says online that it's waterproof, so it says it can be submerged for up to 3 hours or something like that. First time dropped it clean in the water, off. And the worst thing is I got like 3 days worth of footage on that phone, and I got no way of getting the phone back on. I'm gonna let it dry out and hope for the best. If not, I'm gonna have to go on the clouds and see if I can get the footage back off the clouds. I'll let it dry out for a bit, see what happens. But anyway, as Santiago goes, biggest indoor water park in Europe. Absolute bullshit. What do you think of that water park? Good, was it?
Yeah.
Roman, what do you think of that water park?
Not worth the money.
Not worth the money? Not very good at all. Cost us 140 quid to get in, pound. 2 pairs of goggles for the kids, and some food. Food come to 40, 38, 140, like 200 quid all in all we spent to get here. Well, we haven't paid for the parking yet actually, plus the parking. Absolute bullshit. What did she say? Today we are in Lithuania.
I like Lithuania.
You like Lithuania, do you?
Yeah.
It's our little Lithuanian number. Double bed. 34 bucks. Hello, Lithuania! Haircuts, washing, Christmas markets. Yeah, boy.
No, it's cute.
No, don't drink it all. You got your food. Freshly squeezed juice for the boy. Let's have a lovely bit of breakfast in Lithuania. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful.
Was bad.
Your food was bad?
Yeah.
Why?
Gia hated it. Look at Gia.
Lyra didn't like the egg. Same as normal, don't eat anything. Cost me €13. She still don't eat it, ever.
I only like the ones that's swimming.
Might just start feeding her chicken nuggets every day. That's what she's gonna eat. Anyone else's kid like that? Just chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets, my boy, eat anything. Put anything in front of Roman. Bosh. That was nice, Dad. Lovely little breakfast. There's our little hotel we stayed in last night. She's just doing the washing now. Take the little laundrette. So, get the laundry done. What is he doing? What is he? Why has that monkey got a grenade? Why is she stabbing her eye with a chili? Why is she lost? Back it we're very Christmassy. Driving our cat. We are now going to take a drive into Latvia. An old Soviet Union, kid. What'd you say? Mucky D's. No Mucky D's for you. Yesterday.
Last night.
Where to was that?
I know.
In Poland.
Finland.
Poland. Absolute beautiful in Poland. No? Oh, they haven't got what she wanted. After that, your little seaside town rigger. Looks really nice to be fair, so we'll have a look. That's it. Take a little stroll in Latvia. Some fucking mad street. Let's if I can find a Lidl. Kids on peanut butter sandwiches. Fun fact, Latvia was at civil war 14 years ago, no, 24 years ago. So this country was fucking turmoil. It broke up from the Russian Soviet Union in 1994, and then had like 9 different governments in 7 years. It's doing alright. It's a mad place. It's a mad place. They all speak Russian, so Their still native language is still Russian. Yeah, let's go see if we can find a lid. Little little shop then. Everyone just looks at me. I must just look like a foreigner. Enclaves, AMX rigs in the lab. I think that looks fine. Then I ain't seen no one else like it. I want to have some bread, some bacon, the bullies, Latvian federale. Myself some bread, some bacon, the kids peanut butter, some cheese and some ham for some sandwiches on the ferry. €10. Yeah, it's not cheap. It's not cheap. Peanut butter was like £3.50, bro. How these fuckers out here surviving? Because their wages are fucking next to nothing. I googled it and it said the average wage is about €1,300. But yet the shopping's the same as ours. But then again, Google says the average wage of the UK is £3,800. Bullshit! 3,800 a month. Oh yeah. Really casually people earning £1,000 a week, like fucking balls. Yeah man. So today we're off to Tallinn. Yes, so we have a little Latvian number. Lovely little place to be fair. 34 quid, brother. 37 quid. Absolute banger, mate. Well, that is. It's cheap here. Yeah, the place ain't cheap, but the places to stay are cheap. Absolutely beautiful. I'll tell you what. I've got some ideas to do with my ex when I get home. She's gonna make me. Is she lucky? Little Soviet build. Tell me if you think this is weird, yeah? Look at that. So, this cabinet's here, yeah? There you go. All this. All this. All this. Back to here again. So, this is just hollow space. They were in there watching us. I don't know why. The only thing I can think of is maybe they done it to stop the partition wall so you could have the privacy with the curtain maybe, but it's a lot of space to lose. Don't know. Been looking for secret entrances. That's it now. We're on our way to Lapland to see Santa Claus. Come with me, come with me. How you make sandwiches, babe? Nice, I'm glad I'm not eating that. I know where that finger's been. I thought it sitting down. That's it, we're in Estonia. Last country of the trip. We've done this as 8th country.
How are you?
8th country, Estonia. We got our last 2-hour drive, so we get to Tallinn port, and then we get on a ferry into Finland, on a train, up to see Santa. Who wants to see Santa? Yes. We'll see you on the ferry. A cobble floored. Look, they're like proper stones.
I know.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Because they are proper stones. Are these stones from the
Old Castle Road. We're in Tallinn. Tallinn, Estonia. Last Christmas market till we get to see the big guy in Estonia. We're about to get onto a ferry now crossing to Helsinki, and then we got a 9-hour train ride all the way up to the Arctic Circle. Banging by. What?
This smells amazing.
Ah.
This place smells amazing. Come here, Dad. Bam, bam, beanie, bum.
From where? I want one of them sausages. Them ones. It's too wet. It's too wet. Estonia. A little sausage number.
No sausage. No. No sausage.
Now, will you eat this then?
Nom nom nom. Nice it?
Yeah. But I don't recommend sniffing the cabbage.
I do. Try that, boy.
Spicy.
Oh, it's just sausage.
Too spicy.
Pardon? Try the sausage, man.
Too spicy. Sausage too spicy.
It's not. It's beef sausage. Just bang it.
Sausage is too spicy.
You don't like that, do you?
It's too spicy. It's too spicy. Too spicy. That is too spicy sausage.
You want to say it another 100 times, or?
Sausage spicy. Sausage spicy.
We indulged a little too much, now we're late. Roman, what are we late for? Getting late for the ferry. The ferry's booked at 8:30, Dana? Huh? 6:30. The ferry's booked at 6:30. We've got to be there an hour before, and it's currently 5:10. We've got to try and find the car in this madness street. Yeah, 17 minutes to the ferry port, and we're not even sure if it's the right ferry port, so let's run, man.
And we're really late.
What's the pedal? Straight in the pedal. I'm in a dream. Right, and bye. Just about to board a ferry into Estonia, where we just went to that Christmas market. Beautiful. What a lovely place. Looks like London, but you know, no one getting stabbed. It looks lovely, yeah. But you could drive right through the Christmas market. It's crazy. Trying to follow the sat nav, and it's giving us a route. Just literally drive through people. But I can't go that way, so we went through some dodgy little lanes, past some castle, absolutely beautiful. We're about to board the ferry now. Get into the fucking Baltic Sea. Cross from Estonia into Finland, Helsinki, and then we are on the train. Whoop whoop, Santa Claus, yay! We are on the boat. Helsinki, bang, baby! Excited, guys?
Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
This close to Santa! This close! 2,081 miles later, we're on a boat to see Santa!
Nothing play! Where's the ball? It's going to sausage.
Banging little boat this. Looks amazing. It's not like the UK ferries. Don't know whether it's just because it's so busy, man. There's people everywhere. Right, there's little there's babies in there, okay? So careful. Moving by. Long couple of days. I think everyone's a bit tired, don't I? Taken into the 10th country, so 10th country today. I don't know how many days I left. I left on the 29th and this now. Fuck knows. Can't even tell you. I wake up in the morning, I don't know whether it's Monday or Sunday. You know, a long couple of days, man. What an experience, so. Just so happy, my kids are grateful. My wife's grateful. Everyone's happy. Everyone's tired. It's taking lots of driving. 3 hours of driving a day and everyone's doing lots, but as we're getting towards the top countries, there's nothing to do. As you're going into Latvia, Lithuania and Estonia, there's just nothing to do, so we're just at 4 hour smashes. Boom, boom, boom. 3-4 hour drives. And now we're here. We're setting sail. We're landing in Helsinki. I still didn't even buy a haircut. I should a couple of barbers, but you know, trust in a barber. Next video I look like John Reed's mate. It's just buzzing. And I'll catch you again now. I'll get the video going again when we get to Helsinki and we get on the train. And we'll have a look what the Santa Claus train is like. Yeah. We're here, baby. What's us? Final destination and all that. Where are we, guys?
Falchion!
Where? Falchion. I hope not. We are in Helsinki, Finland, baby. We are about 15 minutes away from our train. 11.5 hours away from Santa Claus's village. We are there, baby. We are there. The thing Dad did. It's a bit of a fucking mission, to be fair. Need to stop swearing. Oh well. Ready, packed up, suited and booted, suited and booted, suited and booted, suited and booted. Car's packed. Got the Bergen on. Ready to roll, baby. Next stop, Pasila Station, Helsinki. Woo! Stand on one and stay on one, okay? is. Big double decker. That's a boy, double decker bad boy. Santa Claus's train. Did you see that Santa Claus sign? Here he is, big man himself. Next stop, Lapland, baby. Still going, boy. The size of this train. This fucking train. Still coming, bro.
Dad.
I want to walk up and down there.
Dad. How did we get our food?
There's burger on the Santa Claus Express. What? Nice. Where are we going? Don't shake. Where are we going to see?
A ver, pues están pidiendo que pueda hablar.
Hey.
Can I have a pint?
No beer anymore.
No.
No alcohol anymore.
Okay.
Oh, coffee. Lemonade.
Too late. Thank you. Beers. It's a mad train. It's like 19 carriages. We made it. Wow. Never guess what. So we rushed to get off the train because that train don't wait around. So you could imagine the train tells you the stop's coming and you're at the station for 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Can't understand what they're saying. So we knew our stop was coming up. So we get all that stuff ready. The thing goes bing bing, station. So fucking, I took my bag and we smashed the flask. All the suitcases, we're trying to rush out. There's milk all over the floor on the train. We get out and we're like, this don't look like the place we should be. We've only got off a stop early. So now we are in the middle of nowhere, bro. Oh, absolute fucking gem, mate. Absolute beauty. We've come all the way. We've come from the UK now, so all the way to Finland, up into don't know, wolf territory. We don't even know where we are. To be fair, we just located ourselves on Uber. Now we got Uber coming. How much? 50 quid. It's cheaper to get a bus. Yeah, fuck that. So 50 quid now. But like I said, we haven't had a problem yet, so one problem out of 10 countries ain't that bad. We'll just wait for the Uber, get to the hotel, chuck the kids in the sauna, warm everyone up, and then we'll go on a little adventure. Look at these.
He's stuck.
Are you stuck? Yeah. Why's your ass hanging out?
I'm sinking in. Help!
Life is gone. You couldn't wait to do that, could you? After the fiasco, we couldn't even get an Uber. We're fucking stuck in the wilderness in the snow. Just standing in a snow blizzard. We got Uber coming. 20 minutes, man. I can't believe it. We've been out here for about, what, half hour already? Half hour, everyone's hands are freezing. Oh, good content, good content. I can see the headline now, stranded in a blizzard. My hands are just, what are you gonna do? I would stop touching it though, because you are gonna get freezing. I'm cold, I'm getting cold already, my legs are cold. Yeah, if you get too cold, boys, I don't know, we'll have a cold and we won't be able to enjoy ourselves. Crazy.
No, no, no.